What are the differences between RAM and VRAM? So in this video we are going to discuss about the differences between RAM and VRAM. So RAM, as we know, stands for random access memory, and VRAM stands for video random access memory. So RAM and VRAM are both types of computer memory, but they serve different purposes. RAM or random access memory is the main system memory used for general computing tasks, while VRAM or video random access memory is specifically dedicated to the graphics card for handling images and video processing. So this is the basic difference between RAM and VRAM. So you can leave the video from here if you want, but if you want more information and in-depth analysis, so here's a breakdown of the functions of RAM. So basically RAM acts as a temporary workspace for the CPU, storing data and instructions that the computer is actively using. This includes the operating system, running applications, and any data those applications need to access quickly. So this is the function of RAM. It's a very basic function. Next one is the location. RAM is located on the motherboard and is separated from the graphics card, and it's very close to the CPU, the RAM slots, as you know. So what are the characteristics of RAM? RAM is designed for general purpose use and is optimized for a balance of speed and capacity. For example, loading your operating system, running web browsers, word processing software, and other applications all rely on RAM. So this was RAM. And what about video random access memory? So in terms of functions, VRAM is specifically dedicated to the graphics card, that is the GPU, that is the graphical processing unit, and is used to store the data needed for displaying images and video on your screen. So where is the VRAM located? VRAM is integrated into the graphics card itself. And what are the characteristics? So VRAM is optimized for high speed read and write operations, allowing the GPU to quickly access and process graphical data. For example, when VRAM is essential for smooth gaming, video editing, and any other application that involves rendering graphics. So in essence, RAM is the general purpose memory for your computer, while VRAM is a specialized type of memory that's crucial for handling graphics intensive tasks. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you like the content, and for daily technological video and knowledgeable videos, subscribe to Technical Leap YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.